Good afternoon, happy Wednesday, 23rd of July, summertime. Do you like nachos with cheese? I'm going to microwave that and then top it up with chopped tomatoes and onions with chili powder, salt and oregano on top once it's microwaved. So this is microwaved after 1 minute with cheddar cheese on top of tortilla or nachos, and then you get some chopped tomatoes, and then make sure you washed your hands, salt, chili powder, oregano, chopped tomatoes and onions. Add it on. Okay. Gracias, enjoy. Tortilla Mexicano, Texas, Americano. So I put chili powder in that tomato, onions, oregano and salt. God bless you, happy Wednesday. Yeehaw! Ay, ay, ay.